Hey guys, is your skin looking dull, dry, or rough? Have you tried all kinds of skincare products with little or no results? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a 100% natural and effective way to get that glowing, beautiful skin you've been dreaming of. And guess what? It's something you may already know about the cod liver oil. Now don't stay tuned and watch this video till the end because this little secret might just change your skincare game. So, what is cod liver oil? Cod liver oil usually comes in soft gel capsules. Inside those capsules is an oil that may smell a bit like fish, but don't let the smell scare you off. The results are totally worth it. This oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, and vitamin D, all of which are super important for a healthy, glowing skin. Here's what they do. Reduce skin inflammation, help clear acne, smooth fine lines and wrinkles, even out your skin tone. This oil is extracted from the liver of codfish, a high-protein fish packed with nutrients. And yes, it's completely safe for your skin when used correctly. How to use cod liver oil for glowing skin. Start with a clean face. Use a gentle face cleanser or steam your face to open up your pores. Next, dry your face with a clean towel. Then take 1 capsule of cod liver oil. Any brand is fine. Next, pierce the capsule, squeeze the oil into your palm, and gently rub it all over your face, avoiding your eyes. And lastly, do this every night before bed as part of your skincare routine. You'll start to notice your skin getting softer, brighter, and more radiant with consistent use. And that's it, guys. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more simple and natural skincare tips. Until next time, take care and keep glowing.